Hey guys, Meso here. Want to welcome you in. Today, I am going to be making something, of course, quick, simple, and delicious. Don't want to show you anything too hard. I don't like hard, I like easy. I like to be eaten, not waiting. Okay, so I want to show you something quick, simple, and delicious. You're going to be able to make it too for your family, and you're going to do it good. Your family gonna be calling you a kitchen rock star, baby. Come on, let's get started. Let's take a look at this meat. These lamb chops. Looks like I paid about $45.41 for them. Okay, let's look a little closer and see what we got. Not bad, not bad. These are some delicate little chops. And I am just getting right through here. I'm going to cut them all. I believe I'm going to cut them all singularly, but I might cut a few of them twos. Yeah, I'll leave 2 chops on there because they are small. But they're looking good. So I've got these all filleted out here. You know, they're looking beautiful. My God, they're pretty. I'm going to put just a little bit of seasoning on here because I don't want to mask the flavor of my meat. So I'm putting a little bit of a combination of Himalayan pink salt and kosher salt. I'm coming right back with some complete seasoning, and I'm going to put a little bit of that on there. Right back with oregano. Now I want a little more oregano on here because I love oregano on my lamb. A little bit of garlic. And I think that's going to do it. But I need to get these turned over so I can do the same thing to the reverse side, to the back side. They're so pretty. Do you see this fat cap on the back of them? I should have shown it to you when I was cutting them up. But there's fat right on the back, and I want to get that down. Fat side that meets the pan so that I can render that fat off. I'm cutting up some ginger here because that's another flavor component that I love with my lamb. Ginger, lemon, gotta have it. I can hardly eat lamb without it. So I'm just cutting up some little ginger here, and I'm getting my chops down into this pan, this cast iron pan. Can you hear that sizzle? Boy, that sounds good. The pan is hot, and I'm getting my chops down in here. And I'm putting, as I said, the fat side down. Ooh, this is exciting. So I'm going to just let them, just fry for a few minutes before I start bothering them. I'm not going to do anything to them. I'm just watching them. Y'all hear that sizzle? Boy, you know we're cooking when you hear that. So now I'm going to put this ginger right on top. I just want to flavor the oil that is in here. And I'm also squeezing lemon, a big lemon. I'm squeezing the whole lemon over these chops because I want that lemon flavor and that ginger to get into the oil and into the lamb chops. I'm just turning them over here, and I've taken some of them out. And then I'm just taking the rest of these, sort of standing them up against the side of the pan until I'm ready to get them out. And I am taking them out now. And I'm going to go ahead and get them plated up, honey. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. So here's a plate that I have made, and it has the lamb chops. It's got some asparagus spears on the plate, and they're cooked in butter and in olive oil and with lemon juice. I have some cream potatoes, garlic cream potatoes, and oh boy, are they good. Got a few carrots here. This makes a wonderful, wonderful meal. Oh, this is so good. The lamb chops, they're not gamey at all. I think the lemon juice and the ginger help to take care of that. They taste so good. I also like my lamb well done. Now, I can't eat lamb at all. I cannot tolerate it if it's not well done. I know some of you like the rare, medium rare, and those kind of. I can't do that with lamb at all. It has to be well done. Isn't this beautiful though? Oh, you can do this at home. This is quick. This is easy. A little pricey nowadays with the cost of meat being so high, but this is so good, and you don't have to do it often. But when you do it right. Oh man. I was going to taste a little bit for you, but yeah, I think it's so pretty I don't even want to disturb the plate. Guys, I appreciate you coming by to check on me and see what I was doing today, because you knew I'd be throwing down. Now, I hope that I did not disappoint. Oh, everything that you saw me do here today, you can do this right at home, right in your kitchen for your family, for your loved ones. Yeah, you'll be a kitchen rock star when you serve this. Guys, I want to ask you, if you haven't subscribed to me already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Also, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Also, leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. Love it when you have made my dishes and you give me a report as to how everything turned out. I love hearing that. I want you to share my videos wherever you're active on social media. And most of all, I want you to be good to yourself, be good to somebody else, and share your food. Show them your love that way. Okay, bye-bye.